on you with those pants. They're so cute and they're so comfortable, right? It's like they're like a little platform, but that platform is just all a memory foam. It's a memory foam footbed.
Yep.
So it's like if you took off that cork, inside it's all memory foam.
That's right.
I feel like I'm like walking on cloud. All right, let me take you through the colors. These are brand new today, and this is from our Bob's collection. Here we go in the rose.
Pretty.
I think this is such an on-trend shoe. We're seeing so many clogs
yeah, the
right
buckle, now. Oh, all of it.
So, okay, wait, look at the inside. The inside is even done in a little animal print.
Yeah.
So cute. So that's the rose. Jackie was wearing them in the olive, and it's so yummy. Like I feel like it's a trampoline almost. And that has kind of, is that a silver? No, like a little bit of a soft gold buckle.
That's a good way to describe it.
And then here's the black, and that's done in like a black hardware, like gunmetal.
Gunmetal,
and then
yeah.
we have it available for you in the natural, and that's what I have on. And the natural has more of a gold, a true gold buckle.
Yeah.
Take a look at this price, 3 easy payments of $18.33, and they're gonna be so cute. I have them with jeans. You're gonna see Deanna wearing them with a skirt. So why the clog?
Oh, they're so on trend right now. But I mean, a Skechers clog is even better than anything out there because we start with comfort technology. But I mean, let me back up just a second. This is a Bob's collection. So Bob's is our charitable division at Skechers. So this is where we help animals in need. So we feel really good about that. You'll feel really good about it when you get this home because you're not only getting a really cute shoe, but you're helping our Bob's division. So, which is really helping animals in need. This one is just so cute. It's called our Rosy Rise, and it's got this really nice kind of platform midsole that's this veneer cork kind of wrapped. So just very kind of laid back, just really cool looking. Great tread on the bottom.
Like
great
a sneaker tread almost.
Yes, exactly. We put that really nice layer of rubberized traction there. It's a vegan suede, so it looks like real suede, but it's just, there's no animal byproducts whatsoever in this whole style.
I had to keep reminding myself that because it feels exactly like great suede.
It does.
Like you really.
I mean, you can even see the highs
see,
and lows when you like pet it.
It's true. You cannot see or feel a bit of difference.
No.
Remember, everything today is free shipping and handling. So this is saving you another $5.50. These are brand new today. So get them home on 3 easy payments of $18.33. And if you do not have a Q card, but you open a Q card, you could get $50 off this shoe. And you can apply it to anything you want. But with this shoe, you'll get this shoe home for $5.
Wow.
If you open a Q card.
That sounds like smart shopping.
Yeah, I know, exactly. I'll take a $5 great cute clog.
I love those kind of I'm always looking for deals like that.
That's the rose. We have the natural, the black, and the olive.
I love the olive.
They're so comfortable, and they feel like relaxed on the foot. Like, no break-in necessary.
I think everything, I mean, I think that goes for all Skechers, but everything from the Bob's collection, I feel like always has that really cool kind of laid-back vibe. These are just so pretty with the buckle, too. Like, I love the whole instep strap. It's really cute. It's an adjustable buckle, by the way, and there's like a little bit of hidden gore in here just to make it more comfortable. It kind of moves with you, but it's just such an easy style and just on trend. So whether you're wearing your favorite pair of jeans,
jeans and socks right now, maybe then go right into like in the summer if you don't feel like showing your toes, but you want like something super cute. I mean, you can wear these with shorts and crop pants. All right, very quickly, we only have about 600 left in each color. That's all we have. I would say, would you like true to size?
True to size. We have whole and half sizes.
I will say, my experience though, if you're in between sizes and you're not sure, like let's say you don't know if you're an 8.5 or a 9, go down.
Yes, that's what I would recommend too.
Here's the rose. Here's your olive. The black and the natural. Natural is our most popular. And that little platform heel is really about only 1.5 inches, but it is full of memory foam, so it feels great. Still to come. Actually, both our callers at midnight when we kicked off the